Are you still using that outdated software to run your business? Is your customer market getting reduced? Not matching the profitability you are expecting? You are on the wrong way. Your legacy system is holding you back to digital transformation. You need Absolute ERP. Absolute ERP provides you the opportunity to keep your business on track with an integrated system. Customizable dashboards let you meet your unique requirements to review your leads regularly. Know every single detail of your business just with one click. Cloud-based ERP allows you to access the data anytime from anywhere with a stable internet connection. Absolute ERP allows continuous creativity and innovation to meet your industry-specific requirements. Absolute ERP caters to all your business needs, whether it is inventory, customer relationship management, CRM, manufacturing, finance, HRM, and others. With constant changes in the customer's preferences, Absolute ERP provides uninterrupted performance and security to your business. Absolute ERP is specifically focused on manufacturing industries, including footwear, garments, plastic, printing, and packaging, wood, mining, and quarrying, rubber, cables and wires, automotive parts, machinery and equipment, FMCG, pharmaceuticals, concrete ready mix, steel, and others. Absolute ERP delivers what you need without breaking the bank. Embark on the journey of digital transformation and explore a personalized management solution designed just for you.